Hi you all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? It's your girl Miss Debbie, Mommy Offering. So it's been a while. Should in case you're seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and gives me a thumbs up. So today I have some unboxing I want to show to you. Meanwhile, I have been busy. I have been here and there. I've been busy with life. A lot has been going on, but we'll give glory to God for the gift of life. You know, the weather is like we have winter now because we already have snow, you know. So the weather is also another thing, you know. So, but busy with every other things as well. So I have some little unboxing I want to unbox today. This is mostly the reason for this video. So, and we are going to see this clothes together because the last time I received clothes from Nigeria for my birthday, it was not really given like I wanted it. So not all of them, some of them. So I decided to use one or two, and I kept some also, but that I will be sharing also in this video. There is a dress I also got on my birthday. I have not worn it. I really like the dress, so I will also be sharing it with you. It's just a separate dress as well. It's not on this package. So let's get started. Let's see what's inside. So maybe loud. Yeah. So I'm going to be standing up. I'm not going to be trying any of these dresses. Oh, that was loud. Excuse me, that was loud. So this is one dress. It's just like a kaftan, but I think in Nigeria we call it agbada. As you can see, it's net on the front side, yeah, and the back side is just a black dress they used to make it. Don't know if you can see it correctly. So this is the dress. I'm not going to be styling it now. I'm going to be styling it later. I'm just showing it to you. So we have this very one is peach, but I don't like the way the feather is for me. I wanted a more softer feather, but this is what I got. It's not bad. It's not that bad. It's just a gown, a straight gown. So as you can see, the feather is giving some harsh line. So if at all I will be wearing it, but with this harsh line, I will definitely see what I will be able to do to it by myself. And this is how the dress is, you know. So I wanted something with corset, but when you tell some tailors what you want, they just give you something else. You know the system, right? So this is how the back look like. Yeah, this is how the back look like, the back of the dress. You see, so it's not that bad. At least it's my full it's my measurement. Like, I love this dress, but I'm not so sure because my husband is like, okay, dress simple, you know. So but this is what I made like special for my son. I don't know how the Germans do their, most, I've been here anyway, I know how they do their celebration, like sometimes very casually. So, but you know, things like this, I like to dress to wear my best, especially when I'm going to church. So this is the dress, so you can see, but I'm not going to be wearing it on camera, I'm just testing it. So this is the dress, it's a sequence, yeah, and this is the back of the dress, yeah. I love the way the dress is giving some rich auntie vibe, which I am already by the grace of God. So this dress, you have seen it, maybe one of these days you're gonna see me wear it, but I'm not so sure if I'll be able to put it on Sunday, but let's see what will happen. So let's put that aside. I have a dress I want to talk about. This dress is, I always create content where I have more space and more lighting, you know. That is why I'm using this area, because I'm still working on my lighting, you know. To have lighting everywhere is a lot of money and a lot of energy. I just need light that I will not be carrying about, you know. This is what I'm trying to work on, but it's quite difficult. So meanwhile, we'll just be using the space we can find that at least lighting that is a bit helpful, you know. So that is it. So guys, this dress, I got it also from Nigeria. This dress I want to talk about, it was among my birthday dress. So I was unable to wear it because it was too open on the breast area. Normally I like to show a lot of skin sometimes, but not every time, you know. And when it's too obvious, I don't like it. So I love the dress really, because there is a lot of work on this dress. I paid a lot of money, I think 100,000 naira. So it's a corset here, you know. This is the back, I guess, and I wore it on my birthday for the photo shoot, but the photo shoot was not good. So it's my dress, you know. I love to repeat my dress always. So this is the gown. This is how it has some tails, you know. It's really very, very long, you know. So this dress, I'm planning to rewear it. So it's going to be among my Christmas dress if I have the time to do all the videos I want to do and pictures. So it's really giving, you know. Or I'm going to work on the chest area. Excuse me. So this is the dress, yeah guys, and this is all I have that is new in my closet right now. I have some other new clothes but for now this is the newest, you know. This is the newest, and I will definitely style it as soon as possible. So creating content these days is really like a tiring moment for me, because I have so much going on. I need some concentration, I need some chilling, relaxing you know, and I'm working on other things, guys. So please support your girl, share this video, give me a thumbs up, you know. So I will see when I'll be able to create more video on my YouTube short. So I'm working on it as soon as my light that I ordered, as soon as the light is here, because I need a more better light as the weather continues to change. So I need a better light to make everywhere look very attracting, very beautiful, you know. That's even though it's not much, but that little quality, you know, it's very, very important for me right now. You know, I don't want to do any content and I see myself deleting it. You can do better, but I don't want to do any content and I'm deleting. But I'm just trying to keep going with the things that I love, always putting smiles on my face, loving my life, and I keep going. So I want to do content that will be there. Somebody will see it and will be inspired. This is what I want to do, because most of the time after doing some content I delete, because I feel it's low quality, the editing and everything. So this is the area I want to work on. Meanwhile, I have a new jewelry I'm wearing. This is also from my collection of rare accessories. So it's quite not too expensive, but it's from my little brand, so I have it. If you need something like this, I have it. I'm going to be putting the link as soon as I'm done with everything I'm doing. But for now, I don't have the link because I'm working on everything. So I just want to show it to you to see. I have something like this before, but this one is a new one. Just received it, I think, yesterday or so. So, guys, that's it for today. And this hair, I fixed it by myself. So I'm getting used to the things that I really needed. Thank you so much for watching. So I'll see you on my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.